Hey Scorpio, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of July. I feel like somebody that you guys are dealing with, they're planning something for you. So if there hasn't been communication, I feel like this person is making plans. They're making plans to basically reach out to you and speak some type of truth. This person deceived you in the past. And the thing is, I do feel like, remember I told you free yourself was trying to come out, because it played peekaboo in my hand. So that basically is telling me that this person wore a mask because they've been trying to, they're trying to right now get themselves out of some type of situation that they put themselves in. And I feel like they've been hiding how they truly feel and what it is that they want when it comes to you. And that's why deception is here. They do know that there is a strong connection between the two of you, because I did see the chemistry card try to come out. But I do feel like they miss flirting with you. They miss having fun. Y'all know the next holiday is Labor Day. That's getting ready to come up. So maybe this person is planning on, you know, talking to you or speaking their truth around the holiday. You never know. So that's what I'm seeing so far. So let's hop in. Let's just see what comes out. Okay, Spirit, general reading, please. Okay, bottom of the deck, I have the Four of Wands reversed. So this is basically telling me that somebody basically doesn't have a happy home. Or maybe this person is feeling like they're not going to be able to have a happy home with you. Let's see. Tell me more, please. Yep. Alright, so y'all know I had the Four of Wands at the bottom of the deck. Now I have the Four of Cups. This is definitely some type of home situation that's been going on. I do feel like this person wants to give you an offer, but they're afraid that you're going to turn them down. And they're having a hard time because of that. Okay. You could be dealing with a Gemini, Scorpio. Or it's just saying that this person loves you. He's going to balance like that. This person loves you. And they really do care about you. But I also do feel like this person isn't using their intuition. Tell me more, please. Because there was a third party. I told you, remember I said that this person is trying to free themselves. So there was some type of third party interference. And y'all know, doesn't have to be another man or woman that they were in a relationship or there was some type of romantic situation going on. It could be family, it could be friends, it could be career. But there was something that was going on that they're trying to free themselves from. But this person knows that they broke your heart. Tell me more. And see, yeah, this person messed up. I'm telling you, they feel like they can't work things out with you. You're not going to give them the chance to because of this third party, because they messed up. So this person is keeping an eye on you, Scorpio. They're watching you very, very closely. For some of you guys, maybe you're watching them closely. You know, this could be vice versa. So cross-watcher, if Scorpio did this to you, they could be watching you, keeping an eye on you. Somebody could be dealing with a Leo here, but I just feel like somebody just doesn't have the strength to come towards you. Whoever messed up, they don't have the strength to come towards you and speak their truth. The way the Five of Swords came out, I do feel like this person is afraid that they lost you for good. And this is why they're not speaking their truth. They're really in their head. I feel like they're battling themselves and they're trying to get out of that energy. Tell me more. This person isn't content with the way that they left things with you, but I do feel like they're not content with their finances as well. But it's basically telling me that a decision has been made. See what I'm saying? You guys could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo, but I'm telling you, somebody's having a hard time speaking their truth to you, and I'm telling you, somebody's having a hard time with finances. You could be dealing with, excuse me, you could be dealing with a Taurus. But this person wants to have a commitment with you, a relationship with you, a marriage with you. For some of you guys, you may even be married and your husband or wife, they want to fix it. Somebody could be dealing with an Aries here. But I'm telling you, this person wants stability with you. Tell me more. And so they're going to come and give you an offer. This person may be younger than you, but I definitely feel an offer coming. Tell me more. Yep. I'm telling you, they want to start over, Scorpio. This person wants to have a new opportunity with you, but they're frustrated and they're in their head. They're feeling stuck. And this is why they're not moving forward with you. I keep going back to, I keep seeing that free yourself card, and I keep looking at deception. I'm telling you, they're trying to free themselves from some type of third party situation that they put themselves in. Again, you could be dealing with the Cancer, but this is why they're not moving forward. Yep, there's a lot of arguing going on. It may not even be between the two of you. It could be with this ex, whoever it is that they're trying to free themselves from. And this is why this person is frustrated. I'm not taking all that. That's a lot of cards. I'm not taking that. Let's see. I told you, this person, they're not single, or again, they haven't freed themselves yet. They're trying to, but they're not. They're not out that situation yet. And I feel like they don't have a peace of mind. Some of you guys could be dealing with a Virgo, but if not, this was a lesson for this person, and now they're sitting back thinking about everything. And see, they want to have this new beginning with you. Tell me more. But I do feel like, see, look at that, I have 2 aces. This person, they definitely want to come and give you this offer. It's a secure offer because they do want things to improve with you. Look. They want things to improve. If they were worried about money, I do feel like things are going to improve in that area as well. But when it comes to you, they definitely want things to get off the ground. But see, they're afraid that they're not going to be able to have a happy home with you because of what they've done. And see, they know that they have to speak their truth. Some of you guys could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. And there is a Pisces here. But this person does have a hard time speaking their truth, showing their emotions. And that's something that they have to basically get out of if they want to be with you. Somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio if that's not you, but I do feel like this person, whatever's going on, they are trying to transform, but they're afraid that they're not going to have this new beginning with you. And so they did make a decision. I'm telling you, this person is going to come and talk to you. They're going to come and give you an offer. It is going to be a small offer because they have to prove themselves to you, but they do want to start over and build something solid with you. But they're afraid right now. They're not taking a leap because there could be some type of legal situation going on right now. Or they're trying, there's like a contract. There's something going on. Some of you guys could be dealing with a Libra. But let me see. Clarify justice. Let's just see what comes out. Clarify justice. See what I'm saying? They're trying to get out of some type of third-party situation. There's a contract. I don't know if this is like business situation with contracts and documents, if someone was trying to help someone, or there is just some type of legal action going on, but they're trying to get out of it. But this person knows that you're disappointed with them, and they're back and forth with the 2 of Swords. So this is why they feel stuck, you know, because they want to come towards you to make things right, but at the same time they're stuck in this situation because there could be some type of contract or there's some type of legal suit going on. And I do feel like they already know that they want to be with you, but that's the holdup. And see, they're afraid. They're afraid that you're not going to take them back. They're not going to be able to fix this. You don't want a commitment with them. And they're sad, but they're coming out of that energy. But I'm telling you, somebody did take a loss here. And they're trying to figure out the best option to take. They're looking at all of their options. Like, okay, what can I do? Somebody did take a loss here financially. And see, this person is afraid as well because they did leave you out in the cold. But I do feel like whoever they've been arguing with, somebody's being left out in the cold financially speaking. Somebody could be dealing with an air... Ooh, why did I say Aries? Okay, so somebody could be dealing with an Aries because I clearly was trying to say a fire sign. When that happens, that was for somebody. So there could be an Aries here. Either Scorpio, you're dealing with an Aries and this is going on, or you're dealing with someone that is dealing with an Aries that's taking them basically to the bank. They're sitting here trying to go after their finances. There's a fire sign here. Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Wow. There's definitely an Aries somewhere in the picture for somebody here. And this is why, yeah, see, this person's been moving slow because of this individual here. Whoever this is, whether it's their mom, an ex, a friend, there's somebody here that is a fire sign. Could be an Aries, or they have fire in their chart. And this person has been slowing down the process. And I feel like they're trying to get out of it because I feel like they're going to pick up the pace, but they're kind of like going back and forth with it. So let's see. Whoever it is that you guys have been dealing with could be an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra, but I do feel like this person doesn't want you to cut them off because, see, they feel like you're not going to put any time, effort, or energy into them at this point. Could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. But this is why
It's like they're not speaking their truth to you. There's something going on with this individual up here. See, look. See what I'm saying? There's two women. Oh, my gosh. There's a lot of people here. 1, 2, 3, 4. This person. There's a lot of people here. This is why I always say, like, I'm telling y'all, this could be friends, family, an ex. It's a lot of people here. But Scorpio, I do feel like... Okay, let me back up because I just heard something. Okay, let's back up. Scorpio, I feel like this is you, right? Of course, water sign. This is you. Like I always tell people, I don't care about specifics when it comes to genders, because just because I'm seeing 3 queens, that means nothing. This could be 3 kings, you know, so just take it however it fits. But Scorpio, that's definitely you. What I am seeing, I feel like there could have been like some type of mother figure involved. I see 3 different energies here outside of the person that you were romantically involved with. There is you. There could have been a mother figure interfering. It doesn't have to necessarily be that person's mom. It could be their grandma, their sister. There was like a family member involved. And then there was somebody else over here. It could have been a friend that was just using your person for finances. It could have been a lover, you know, an ex. There was somebody here that just wanted this person for what they can do for them, like on a stability level, like they were helping them pay bills or whatever. I'm telling you that I'm seeing 3 different energies here. So take it however it fits, but that's the situation. And this is why this person is scared to tell you the truth, because they're like, okay, if I give you the truth, you're going to leave me. You're not going to take me back. I put you through too much. And that's why they're trying to make a decision. They're trying to make a decision because, see, I told you, they were being sneaky. It's a lot of people in y'all business. Tell me more. Who is this for? Queen of Swords. Okay, so somebody could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra, but I feel like, Scorpio, this is your energy here. You want to hear this person out, but you're tired of the nonsense. This person put you through a lot, and you're just to the point where you're going to cut him. You're going to cut him, okay? You're going to cut him or her because you're tired. And I feel like it's just, you're done. You're like, you know what? All I wanted you to do was treat me right. And you didn't even know how to do that. So why am I wasting my time with you? Back and forth with the King of Wands. See, this is your person that you were dealing with. Could be a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. But if not, I feel like this person, this is someone who knows what it is that they want. They want to come to you. But at the same time, they're dragging their feet because they have to get rid of all of this mess here. It's a lot of people. Tell me more. They know they have to let everything go. All of these wands that they were carrying, trying to help this person, trying to do for this person, they have to let it go. But also, it's like you let this person go, but because you were just tired, you dropped this person. But I do feel like there's communication coming in. But this person is dragging their feet because they're still going through their karma right now. They want to talk to you. They definitely want to talk to you. But see, right now, yeah, see, they're dragging their feet because they're trying to clear away obstacles first. When they come to you, they want to come correct. They don't want to come bringing baggage. They don't want to come bringing the same old nonsense that's been going on for weeks, months, and years. They want to come correct, like, this is what it is. I'm sorry. Let me prove myself to you. See, the devil's reverse. Somebody could have been dealing with a Capricorn, but if not, this is telling me this person is clearing away obstacles. There were a lot of toxic individuals, toxic behaviors, just toxic things that this person was doing, or they were, being around, and they have to get out of the energy. If somebody was drinking too much, or somebody was smoking too much, or somebody was having sex with a whole bunch of different people, whatever the situation is, money, I don't care. This person is trying to get out of that situation or leave those toxic behaviors alone.